Have you ever looked in the mirror first thing in the morning and felt discouraged by the growing number of gray hairs on your head? Or maybe you've watched strands of hair collect in the shower drain, on your pillow, or in your hairbrush, wondering why it keeps happening despite everything you've tried. If that sounds familiar, you're far from alone. Millions of adults over the age of 50 struggle with thinning hair, excessive shedding, and premature graying. Many spend years buying expensive shampoos, salon treatments, oils, and cosmetic products, only to end up disappointed with the results. The beauty industry wants you to believe that healthy hair can only come from costly products or chemical treatments. Hair dyes promise to hide gray hair instantly, while countless products claim to stop hair loss overnight. Yet many of these solutions offer only temporary results, and in some cases, repeated use of harsh chemicals may even leave the hair weaker and the scalp more sensitive. But long before modern cosmetics existed, people relied on something much simpler. For generations, women across the Mediterranean, particularly in Italy, Greece, and Spain, were known for maintaining thick, dark, healthy-looking hair well into old age. Their neighbors often wondered if it was simply good genetics or some secret family tradition. The answer was surprisingly simple. They regularly used a homemade herbal rinse prepared from two common plants growing in their gardens, rosemary and sage. When combined, these herbs create a dark herbal infusion with two complementary actions. Rosemary has traditionally been used to stimulate scalp circulation, helping deliver oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles. Sage, on the other hand, contains natural pigments that gradually coat the hair shaft, helping gray hairs appear darker over time without the harsh effects of chemical dyes. Today, I'll show you exactly how this traditional Mediterranean remedy is prepared, why modern researchers have become interested in its ingredients, and the 5 major benefits it may offer for your hair and scalp. Stay with me until the end, because the first benefit has even been compared in scientific research with one of the world's most popular hair growth medications. Before we begin, I'd love to hear from you. What concerns you most about your hair today? Is it hair loss, gray hair, dandruff, or thinning? Leave your answer in the comments below. I enjoy reading your experiences and learning what topics matter most to you. Let's begin by understanding why this traditional remedy has remained popular for centuries. Mediterranean families didn't choose rosemary and sage by chance. These herbs were valued not only for cooking, but also for natural hair care. Traditional herbalists believed rosemary could invigorate the scalp, while sage was known for maintaining darker, healthier-looking hair well into old age. Modern science has identified several active compounds in these plants that help explain why they continue to attract scientific interest. Rosemary contains substances such as ursolic acid, rosmarinic acid, and carnosic acid, which have been studied for their antioxidant and scalp-supporting properties. Sage is rich in tannins and natural plant pigments that can gradually coat the hair, making gray strands appear less noticeable over time without the harsh effects of chemical dyes. Benefit number 1, supporting healthier hair growth. One of the biggest reasons hair becomes thinner with age is that the hair follicles receive less oxygen and fewer nutrients. Over time, these follicles become less active, producing finer hair until they may stop producing new strands altogether. Rosemary has gained attention because several studies suggest it may help improve blood circulation in the scalp. Better circulation means hair follicles receive more oxygen and nutrients, creating a healthier environment for hair growth. One well-known clinical study even found that rosemary oil performed similarly to 2% minoxidil in improving hair growth after several months of consistent use, while causing fewer reports of scalp irritation. Although the traditional rosemary rinse is different from concentrated rosemary oil, these findings have encouraged researchers to continue exploring rosemary's potential role in supporting healthy hair. While no natural remedy can guarantee dramatic regrowth, improving scalp health is an important first step towards maintaining stronger, healthier hair as we age.
Benefit number 2, naturally reducing the appearance of gray hair. This is the benefit that surprises many people. Gray hair appears when the cells responsible for producing melanin, the natural pigment that gives hair its color, gradually become less active with age. As melanin production declines, new hair grows in with little or no pigment, creating the gray or white strands we see in the mirror. No herbal remedy can completely restore those pigment-producing cells. However, sage offers something different. Sage leaves are naturally rich in tannins, dark plant compounds that have been used for centuries as natural colorants. With repeated use, these pigments can gradually coat the outer layer of the hair shaft, creating a richer, darker appearance without relying on ammonia or other aggressive chemicals. The change is subtle rather than instant. Instead of dramatically coloring the hair overnight, the rinse slowly blends gray hairs with darker strands, making them less noticeable after several weeks of consistent use. Many people also notice that their hair looks shinier and healthier, since the herbal rinse leaves the hair smoother while avoiding the damage often caused by repeated chemical coloring. Benefit number 3, helping protect hair during hormonal changes. For many women, hair becomes noticeably thinner during and after menopause. Hormonal changes can shorten the hair growth cycle, causing strands to become finer while increasing daily shedding. One hormone often linked to this process is DHT, dihydrotestosterone. In genetically susceptible individuals, DHT can gradually shrink hair follicles, making it harder for them to produce thick, healthy hair. Researchers have investigated compounds found in rosemary and sage for their potential ability to help support normal follicle function and reduce some of the effects associated with DHT activity. While these herbs are not a replacement for medical treatment, they may provide additional support as part of a consistent hair care routine. If you've noticed that your hair has become thinner, weaker, or lacks the fullness it once had, maintaining a healthy scalp and protecting your follicles may help preserve the hair you still have. Benefit number 4, a healthier scalp means healthier hair. Think of your scalp as the soil where your hair grows. If the soil isn't healthy, the hair won't thrive either. Many people struggle with persistent dandruff, an oily scalp, itching, or irritation. In many cases, these problems are linked to an overgrowth of a naturally occurring yeast called malassezia. While this microorganism normally lives on the scalp without causing problems, excess oil and inflammation can allow it to multiply, leading to flakes, itching, and discomfort. Rosemary and sage contain natural compounds that have been studied for their antimicrobial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. Together, they may help create a healthier scalp environment by reducing excess oil, calming irritation, and supporting the scalp's natural balance. A cleaner, healthier scalp gives hair follicles a better environment to produce strong, healthy strands. Benefit number 5, helping protect hair from premature aging. Hair doesn't turn gray overnight. Genetics certainly play a role, but they're only part of the story. Factors such as chronic stress, poor nutrition, pollution, and oxidative stress can all contribute to the aging process. Oxidative stress occurs when unstable molecules, known as free radicals, damage healthy cells over time, including the cells responsible for producing your hair's natural pigment. Both rosemary and sage are rich in antioxidants, which scientists have studied for their ability to help protect cells from oxidative damage. Although they cannot reverse gray hair that has already appeared, these antioxidants may help protect healthy cells and support overall scalp health as part of a balanced lifestyle. This is one reason these herbs have remained popular in traditional herbal medicine for generations. How to prepare the traditional rosemary and sage hair rinse. The recipe is simple, inexpensive, and requires only a few ingredients. You'll need 1 liter, about 4 cups of clean water, 2 tablespoons of dried or fresh rosemary, and 2 tablespoons of dried or fresh sage. Place the water in a pot, add both herbs, and bring it to a gentle boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. As it cooks, you'll notice the liquid gradually turning a deep brown color. This is completely normal and comes mainly from the natural pigments released by the sage. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat, cover the pot, and allow it to cool naturally. Keeping the pot covered is important because it helps preserve many of the plant's aromatic compounds while allowing the herbs to continue releasing their beneficial components into the liquid. Once completely cooled, strain out the herbs and pour the finished rinse into a clean spray bottle or a sealed container. Stored in the refrigerator, it can usually be kept for up to a week before preparing a fresh batch.
How to use the hair rinse correctly. Using the rinse is just as important as preparing it. Wash your hair with your regular shampoo as usual. After towel drying until your hair is slightly damp, spray the rosemary and sage rinse directly onto your scalp, working section by section to ensure even coverage. Next, gently massage your scalp with your fingertips for 2 to 3 minutes. This step shouldn't be skipped, as the massage helps stimulate circulation and allows the herbal solution to spread evenly across the scalp. Once you've finished, do not rinse it out. Let the hair dry naturally so the herbal compounds have enough time to remain in contact with your scalp and hair. Washing it off immediately will greatly reduce its effect. For best results, apply the rinse daily if possible, or at least 3 times a week. Most people who use it consistently begin noticing changes after 3 to 6 weeks, although results vary from person to person. Important warnings before you try it. Before preparing your first batch, there are a few important precautions to keep in mind. If you have blonde, platinum, silver, or very light-colored hair, this recipe may not be suitable. Sage contains natural pigments that can gradually darken light hair or leave it looking dull over time. It works best for people with naturally brown, black, or dark gray hair. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid using this remedy regularly without medical advice. Although it's a natural preparation, rosemary contains active compounds that may not be appropriate during pregnancy. People with epilepsy or seizure disorders should also speak with their healthcare provider before using rosemary-based herbal products, as concentrated rosemary preparations may affect the nervous system in sensitive individuals. Finally, perform a simple patch test before your first full application. Apply a small amount of the cooled rinse behind your ear or on the inside of your forearm and wait 24 hours. If you notice redness, itching, swelling, or irritation, avoid using the product. Restoring healthier-looking hair doesn't have to mean spending hundreds of dollars on cosmetic products or exposing your scalp to harsh chemicals. Sometimes the simplest traditions survive for generations because they offer practical, affordable solutions that fit into everyday life. Rosemary and sage have earned their place in traditional herbal care for centuries, and modern research continues to explore the properties of the natural compounds they contain. While this herbal rinse isn't a miracle cure and won't reverse aging overnight, it may help support a healthier scalp, stronger-looking hair, and a gradual reduction in the appearance of gray hair when used consistently. The key is patience. Natural remedies rarely produce instant results. Healthy hair develops over time through regular care, good nutrition, quality sleep, stress management, and a balanced lifestyle. Think of this rinse as one helpful tool, not a replacement for medical treatment or professional advice. If you decide to try this recipe, stay consistent, pay attention to how your scalp responds, and remember that every person's hair is different. Some people notice improvements sooner than others, while some may need more time before seeing visible changes. I'd love to hear about your experience. Have you ever used rosemary or sage for hair care before? Or is this the first time you've heard about this traditional Mediterranean remedy? Let me know in the comments below and tell me where you're watching from. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. A simple recommendation could help a friend or family member discover a natural approach they've never considered. Thank you for watching. I'm Dr. John Wick, and I'll see you in the next video.